A powerful combination to ensure success is having the vision of an eagle and the heart of a lion. The only difference between success and failure is the ability to take action. Fear begins to melt away when you begin to take action on a goal you really want. Action must be taken at once. There is no time to be lost. The greater the obstacle, the more glory in achieving it. Ideas shape the course of history. To move the world, we must first move ourselves. It takes time to be a success, but time is all it takes. Where are you going? What are you doing today to get there? Nothing is possible if you think it is impossible. Nothing is impossible if you think it is possible. Think positive and work hard, and anything is possible. People are not lazy. They just have important goals. That is, goals that do not inspire them. They can because they think they can. Winning starts with beginning. Anything that enlarges the sphere of human powers and shows man he can do what he thought he could not do is valuable. If you do what you have always done, you will get what you have always gotten. Man is not the sum of what he has, but the totality of what he does not yet have and what he might have. That which is achieved the most still has the whole of its future yet to be achieved. Have a dream so big that you cannot achieve it until you grow into the person who can. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Success is neither a high jump nor a long jump. It is the step of a marathon. The great end of life is not knowledge, but action. Take up one idea and act on it. Make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, and live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, and every part of your body be full of that idea and leave all other ideas alone. This is the way to success.